Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to restore Class X Clash purchases after reinstall. If you've reinstalled the app and your app in-app purchases aren't showing, here's the quick fix. First of all, open X Clash and then go to your settings. Next, tap the profile icon and then go to the settings in app. This will always sync your repeat purchase with your account automatically after if you tap on the restore purchases. Next, make sure you're logged in into the same Apple ID. Purchases are tied to Apple ID used during the original transactions. Privacy tip: only restore purchases on device you own to keep your account secure. Quick fix: if the purchase does not restore, restart the app and try restore purchase again. Check your app store subscription purchase history to confirm the payment. Contact X Clash support if the issue persists. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast mobile game